Imagine this. You're sitting on the couch, enjoying your favorite show, when suddenly your phone buzzes. Hey, we're in the neighborhood. Thought we'd drop by in 10 minutes. And in that exact moment, you look around and realize your home is a disaster. Clothes on the chair, dishes in the sink, dust on the coffee table. Your heart starts racing. You feel that wave of panic. How will you possibly make this house look presentable in just 10 minutes? Step 1. Breathe and prioritize. The first thing most of us do when we're in panic mode is run around aimlessly, trying to clean everything at once. But here's the secret. You don't need to clean everything. In fact, you don't have time for that. Instead, pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. Then ask yourself, what will my guests actually see? The living room, the kitchen counters, and probably the bathroom. That's it. Forget the bedrooms. Forget the closets. Focus only on the visible areas. Prioritization is the key to pulling this off. Step 2. Hide the chaos, don't solve it. Let's be real. You can't fold all the laundry, vacuum the floors, and wash the dishes in 10 minutes. But what you can do is hide the chaos. Grab a laundry basket or any large container and start tossing in everything that looks messy. Toys, clothes, mail, random clutter. Step 3. The living room illusion. Since the living room is the first thing people see, give it your magic touch. Straighten the pillows on the couch, fold the throw blankets, and quickly dust the coffee table with a microfiber cloth or even a paper towel. Now, light a candle or spray a little air freshener. The fresh scent creates an illusion of cleanliness, even if you didn't deep clean. It's psychological magic. Your guests will feel like your home is spotless. Step 4. The kitchen counter trick. Guests rarely inspect your kitchen sink, but they always notice cluttered counters. So, clear everything off. Dishes, stack them in the dishwasher, or, if you're desperate, hide them in the oven temporarily. Yes, I said it. Just don't forget they're in there later. Wipe down the counters quickly with a wet cloth, and suddenly, your kitchen looks sparkling. Remember, surfaces are the secret. A clear counter gives the impression of order, even if your cabinets are secretly bursting. Step 5. Bathroom Rescue Mission. If your guests need to use the bathroom, this is the one place that can make or break their impression. So run in with your cleaning survival kit. First, wipe down the sink and faucet. Toothpaste splatters and soap scum are the biggest eyesores. Second, grab a fresh hand towel and hang it neatly. Third, check the toilet. A quick swish with the brush and a flush can save you from embarrassment. Finally, spray a little air freshener. In less than 3 minutes, your bathroom transforms from chaos to guest-ready. Step 6. Lighting and atmosphere. Hack. Now here's a little secret designers use. Lighting hides dirt. If your house isn't spotless, avoid harsh, bright lights. Instead, switch on lamps, let in natural sunlight, or use warm-toned bulbs. This soft lighting makes your home look cozy and welcoming, while cleverly disguising dust and small messes. Pair this with a lit candle, and you've created a relaxing vibe that makes guests forget about everything else. Step 7. Floors, the fast fix. You may not have time to vacuum or mop, but you can still give the floors a quick once-over. Grab a broom or cordless vacuum and just focus on the visible pathways, the living room, kitchen, and entryway. Forget the corners, forget under the furniture. Guests only see what's in front of them. This quick sweep instantly upgrades the look of your home without wasting precious minutes. Step 8. Entryway magic. The entryway is your guest's first impression, and first impressions stick. So, clear out shoes, hang coats neatly, and if you don't have time for that, hide them behind the door. Wipe down any visible surfaces, and maybe place a small plant or decorative item near the door. This tiny effort creates a welcoming vibe, and your guests will walk in thinking, "Wow, this place feels nice." They'll never guess you pulled it together in record time. Step 9. Distraction is a superpower. This one might surprise you. If your home isn't perfectly clean, distract your guests. How? Serve snacks, pour drinks, or guide them straight to the couch where everything looks tidy. Play soft background music. It not only sets the mood, but also masks the sound of any last-minute cleaning you're doing. Step 10. Confidence is everything, finally. The most powerful trick of all. Confidence. Remember, most people aren't visiting your home to judge your cleaning skills. They're here to see you. So once you've done your 10-minute rescue mission, stop worrying. Greet your guests with a smile, offer them something to drink, and enjoy the moment. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more time-saving hacks. Because let's be honest, life will always throw surprises at us. But now, you'll always be ready.